Last day we have done arranged numbers in descending order. Today we will do sum number 4, arrange in increasing order of numbers or ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. Now here 4 numbers are given. All are 4-digit number. First check the first digit. Circle the first digit. So the numbers are 6, 9, 3, 2. 6, 9, 3, 2. Among these numbers, which one is smallest? 2 is smallest. 2 belongs to this number, 2, 9, 6, 3. So write down this number first. Now you have only 6, 9, 3. This number you have already written. Among 6, 9, 3, which one is smallest? 3 is smallest. Now 3 belongs to this number. Write down 3, 6, 9, 2. Now between 6 and 9, which one is smallest? 6 is smallest. Write down 6, 3, 9, 3. Next number is 9, 2, 3, 6. Write down. Next question. All are 4-digit number. First check the first digit. 2, 2, 2 and 3. Among these number, which is smallest? 2 is smallest. But we have 3 numbers whose first digits is 2. Now we have to compare these 3 numbers. 3002. 3 is the highest number. That means it will be the greatest number. So now forget about this. In these 3 numbers, first digit is same. So you can conclude from these first digit. Next, check the next one. 300. Which one is smallest? 0 is smallest. But we are getting 0 in these 2 numbers. Now you have to check the next 2 digit. This is 0 and this is 3. Between 0 and 3, which is smallest? 0 is smallest. So 2003 is the smallest number. Write down this one. Next number will be 2030. 2030. Now between these 2 numbers, first digit is 2 and first digit is 3. Between 2 and 3, 2 and 3, which is smallest? 2 is smallest. So next write down 2300. After that 3002. Next sum. 4 numbers are given. All are 4-digit number. First circle the first digit. 1, 1, 1 and 1. First digit is same. So you can conclude from the first digit. Check the next digit. 7, 6, 9 and 9. 7, 6, 9, 9. Among 7, 6, 9, which one is smallest? 6 is smallest. Now 6 belongs to this number. First write down 1699. Next, between 7 and 9, 7 is smallest. Write down 1702. Now these 2 numbers contain 9. Digits are same, so we can conclude from this digit. Check the next one. That is 6 and 9. Between 6 and 9, which is smallest? 6 is smallest. So next write down 1969. After that 1996. 1996. So this is the way we can arrange the number in ascending order. This is exercise 1.7. Similar type. Here 4 digits are given. You have to make a 4-digit number. 4 digits are given. You have to make a 4-digit number. With these 4 digits we can make many 4-digit number. Here we have to write only the greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. When you are writing the greatest 4-digit number, you have to arrange these digits in descending order. That means greatest to smallest. First tell me, among these numbers 3, 9, 8, 4, which one is greatest? 9 is greatest. So first write down 9. Then among 3, 8, 4, which one is greatest? 8 is the greatest number. Write down 8. Next, between 3 and 4, which is greatest? 4. Write down 4. Then write down 3. After that is smallest number. When you are writing the smallest number, you have to arrange these digits in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest. Now among these numbers, which one is smallest? 3 is smallest. So write down 3. Next, among 9, 8, 4, which is smallest? 4. Write down 4. Between 8 and 9, which is smallest? 8. Write down 8. Then 9. Now the next sum, the digits are 9, 8, 0, 3. When in the given digits 0 is present, remember one thing, you can't start a number with 0. 0 cannot be the first number. Here, when you are writing the greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Among these numbers, which is greatest? 9. So first write down 9. Then among 803, which is greatest? 8. Write down 8. Between 0 and 3, which is greatest? 3. Write down 3. Then 0. Now for the smallest number. Among these numbers, 0 is smallest. But you can't start a number with 0. So, among 983, which one is smallest? 3 is the smallest. First write down 3. Then write down 0. So, 3 and 0 you have already written. Now the remaining numbers are 8 and 9. Between 8 and 9, which is smallest? 8 is smallest. Write down 8. After that 9. So, you can't start a number with 0. First, you have to check except 0 which one is smallest. First, write down that smallest number. Here the smallest number is 3. Write down 3 first. After that, write down 0. Next one, 4716. Greatest number. For greatest number, you have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Here the greatest number is 7. First write down 7. Then amongst 4, 1, 6, 6. Write down 6. Between 4 and 1, 4. Write down 4. Then 1. And for the smallest one, among these number, which is smallest? 1. First write down 1. Then among 4, 7 and 6, which is smallest? 4. Write down 4. Between 6 and 7, which is smallest? 6. Write down 6. After that 7.